Good afternoon, grade 11. So I'm not around today, but I hope that you will find this lecture video helpful in understanding our new lesson, which is commission. So commission is supposedly a part of buying and selling path, which is our topic from the midterms. Kaya lang I wasn't able to reach up to this topic, although this is the last topic for that before we move on to salaries and wages. So for commission, this is a very simple topic, although you can get easily confused if you fail to understand the differences of every type of commission. Now, before I begin discussing, I will also have to tell you that this is an interactive video, meaning you will encounter some pop-up questions that you will have to answer in order for me to gauge whether you understood or not the topic. Please do not skip any part of the video or skip any question, because if you do so, you will have to rewatch the video to go back to those questions that you missed. And I'm sure you don't want that, because this is a pretty long video for you to repeat from start to end. Okay, so please be careful. Do not click anywhere, click around. Just click on the answer whenever there is a question that pops up. So commission is a fee paid to person or to a person who makes a sale. The commission is usually a percentage of the selling price. This percentage is called the commission rate. Like we always discuss, diba? When we say rate, it's always on percent form. So on commission, it is an amount of money that is given to someone who usually was able to sell or to gather more clients for the business. Okay? Ang isang example nito would be, halimbawa ay sa atin sa Talisay, pagka may mga nagre-resort, diba? May mga ahente itong mga resort. So if an agent will be able to invite guests sa resort, binibigyan sila ng certain percentage, diba? So sa atin ang tawag, may porsyento ka dito, huwag kang mag-alala. So yun yung commission. Okay? So there are 3 types of commissions, and we are going to discuss all of them. The first one is straight commission. The second one is salary plus the commission. And then third is the graduated commission. So let's start with straight commission. So straight commission, it is a type of commission where a person is paid a percentage of his or her sales only. So pag sinabi nating straight, it's possible that this person is not a regular employee of a certain business or a certain company. So, ang kanilang, kumbaga, usapan ng kumpanya ay, or ng business ay, kapag nakabenta mo to, sa'yo yung ganitong percentage. Okay? Parang dito sa Pansol. Kapag sa Pansol, may mga agents ng resorts. So, kapag ka nakakuha ng guest itong agent, meron siyang 20%. Pero kung wala siyang makukuhang guests, wala siyang ma-invite for the entire month, walang ibibigay sa kanya yung mga resorts. Okay? So, this is what you call straight commission. Pag may nabenta ka, may kita ka. Pag wala ka nabenta, wala. Let's start with example number 1. So, Karen works on commission-only basis and receives 3% of the monthly sales without a base salary. What is her commission and total pay for the month if the sales amount to 275,000 pesos? So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung sales amount lang ang meron tayo at saka yung rate. This is the simplest type of commission, kasi all you have to do to solve this is to get the commission rate, which is 3%, and then the sales amount, which is 275,000. Once you have gathered those data or those information, you'll just have to multiply the sales, the total sales, by the commission rate, and that is your straight commission. So let us solve this. Ang sales natin ay 275,000. Imumultiply natin siya sa commission rate, which is 3%. So 275,000 times 0.03, you can check it with your calculator. You should get 8,250 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, yung nabenta ni Karen na 275,000 pesos, 3% lang doon ang kanyang salary. Kung titingnan nyo, malaki na yung 275,000. Pero kung si Karen ay dito lang umaasa sa 8,250 pesos na ito, ay kulang ito para sa kanyang monthly expenses. Ano? Malaki lang yung 275,000 for the owner of the business. But for Karen, it's not actually a very good thing. So, anong kailangan gawin ni Karen? Ang kailangan niyang gawin ay either taasan niya yung sales niya or pwede siyang makipag-negotiate sa may-ari ng business na taasan naman yung kanyang commission rate. Okay? Next, example number 2. Another example. Let's say Jingoy is a part-time sales realtor in a real estate agency. He receives a 5% commission for every condominium he sells. How much is his commission if he sold a condominium at 5,850,000 pesos? So, itong mga condo na ito, mga SMDC type condominiums, ano, yung mga nasa Makati, nasa Naiya, nasa BGC, so medyo mahal to, pero maliit lang tong mga ganitong condominiums. And usually, a realtor would earn no more than 3% commission for every condominium he sells. Yun talaga yung ceiling nila. 3% lang for the realtors. But for this instance, I used 5%. So, ganun ulit. We have the commission rate, which is 5%, and we have the total monthly sales, or the total sales, which is 5,850,000 pesos. So, ganun ulit, we just have to multiply the sales by the commission rate, and so we get 5,850,000 times 5% or 0.05, that is 292,500 pesos. Wow! Magiging real estate agent na lang ako, miss. Magbebenta na lang ako ng condominium kasi 292,000. That is more than my salary for more than the salary of a minimum wage earner sa isang buong taon. Sa isang condo lang, 292,000 na. Again, this is on 5% basis. And tell you honestly, it's not easy to sell condominiums at this price. Yung mga ganitong kamahal na condos, it takes you months, even years before you could sell condominiums this much. Makabenta ka man, I'm sure it took you some time para ligawan mo yung client mo, para kumbinsihin mo sila na sa'yo na bumili, para i-offeran sila ng best price. And kadalasan na nangyayari sa mga part-time sales realtor or sa mga real estate agencies, minsan kailangan nilang i-sacrifice yung portion ng kanilang commission para lang mapag-sign nila yung client. Halimbawa ako, bibili ako ng condo na 5,850,000. Ngayon, may nag-offer pa sa akin na isa. Nag-offer siya sa akin na, ma'am, bibigyan kita ng 2% discount. O hindi doon na ako bibili sa 2% discount. Saan ba nakinuha kaya nung isang agent na yun yung 2% discount niya? So, nakuha na yun from his commission. So, kakaltasin niya yun sa kanyang commission. Kaya magkakaroon siya ng discount. So, anong na lang matitira kay Jingoy pag ginawa na yun? So, kung 5% yung commission niya, and then binawas natin yung 2% for the discount para kay client, para pumirma siya, 3% na lang yung matitira sa kanya. Pero kung 2% yung commission niya, tapos inagaw pa nung client yung 2%, ilang percent na lang? So, 3 minus 1, 1% na lang yung commission niya. Which is not so bad kasi kung 1% na lang, ang 1% ng 5,850,000 is 58,500. Malaki pa din yun for 1%. Okay? So, yun. Next, another type of commission is salary plus commission. Ito ay mostly occurring to those salesperson sa malls kapag sila ay makikita nyo sa mga gadget stores. Ayan. So, it is a type of commission where a person gets paid a salary and a percentage of his or her sales. Ang maganda dito is meron silang salary whether may mabenta sila or wala. Yun nga lang, of course, there should be a commission. So, halimbawa, ikaw ay nagtitinda sa isang computer store sa SM and nagbebenta ka ng laptops. So, kung nakabenta ka ng Ryzen ba? Hindi pala. Razer laptop worth 100,000 isa, you will get a commission on top of that. Then, that's going to add to your salary. Ano? So, kung isipin nyo, mas maganda ata yan, Miss Mean, kasi may salary na, may commission pa. It's not always like that. Minsan kasi, mas mababa yung commission rate and mayroong limitations pagdating dito sa ganitong klaseng commission base. Tingnan natin. So, for example, Mr. Cueva decides to work for ABX company that will pay him 3,500 per week and 6% of any sales above 3,000 pesos. If he sold goods worth 5,000, what is his gross pay? Kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong 3,500 pesos na salary, pero per week ito. Para sa akin ay medyo okay na to. Kasi kung 5 days a week, 700 pesos a day, that's not so bad. Malaki na yon kung wala ka pang family. Okay, so 3,500 per week, tapos 6% ang kanyang commission rate. Kaya lang, meron siyang floor limit. Ibig sabihin, kailangan makabenta siya ng more than 3,000 pesos. Kung 3,000 pesos lang yung nabenta niya or below, wala siyang makukuhang commission. Ngayon, he was able to sell goods daw worth 5,000 pesos. Magkano ngayon ang kanyang magiging gross pay? So, this is how we compute it. Tingnan nyo muna yung given. 3,500 for the salary, 6% for the commission rate, and then 2,000 for the sales. Bakit miss 2,000 na lang? Kasi remember, meron tayong floor limit na 3,000 pesos. So, that will be deducted to the total sales. So, 5,000 minus the limit of 3,000 pesos, you get a total commissional sale of 2,000 pesos. Yung 2,000 lang ang magkakaroon ng commission. Okay? Hindi kasama yung 3,000. To solve this, ganun pa din, sales times the commission rate. Pero itadagdag lang natin yung base salary. Okay? So, computein muna natin yung sales to commission rate. That will give you 2,000 times 0.06. Ito yon. Plus 3,500 pesos, which is the base salary. So, if you have computed using your calculator, 2,000 times 0.06 is equivalent to 120 pesos. So, 120 pesos plus yung kanyang sweldo, that is 3,620 pesos. Ay, maliit lang pala, miss. 120 lang. Well, that is kung 5,000 lang yung mabebenta mo. Abay, kahit naman siguro ako ang iyong employer, 3,500 ang ipapasweldo ko sa'yo per week, tapos 5,000 lang yung nabenta mo, wait lang, parang ang konti naman ata masyado. So, this is the reason why employees have to strive harder so they can earn bigger commissions. Okay? Next, example number 2. Brian works in an insurance agency and he earns a base salary of 35,000 pesos a month. Mas malaki yung sweldo niya dito. Every time he successfully makes clients sign, he gets 2% commission. If he was able to get 3 clients for platinum accounts, if he was able to get 3 clients for platinum accounts priced at 38,000 each, how much will he get for the month? Okay, so ganun ulit ah. Ano yung mga given natin? Yung salary niya is 35,000 a month. Commission rate is 2%, and then meron siyang sale na 3 accounts for 38,000 pesos each. So, magkano yung total? So, 38,000 times 3 clients, that is 114,000 pesos. So, nakabenta siya ng 3 insurance package or packages in just a month. Okay. So, ganun ulit, we will multiply the sales, 114,000 times the commission rate na 2% plus the base salary, 35,000. Pag tinype ito sa inyong calculator, it will appear as the same. Kahit na sunod-sunod lang. Halimbawa, 114,000 times 0.02 plus 35,000. You will still get the right answer. So, according here, 114,000 times 0.02, that is 2,280 pesos plus 35,000 base salary, meaning Brian will get 37,280 pesos for the month. Miss, ang liit lang kasi 114,000 yung sales niya, tapos 37,280, di 2,280 lang yung nadagdag. Ang laki ng sale. Ganun talaga class sa isang business. You don't get everything. Buti pa nga may nabigyan siya ng 2% commission. Okay? Well, it varies per business. Merong mga nagbibigay ng commission na 5%, may 20%, may 10%. Meron din namang walang commission. So, depende yan sa ibebenta ninyo, sa anong klaseng insurance, and yung credibility kasi ng insurance company. Okay? So, his commission and the total pay is 37,280 pesos. Next, the last one is graduated commission. So, yung graduated commission naman natin is a type of commission where the percentage changes based on how much someone sells. This is how most companies encourage their agents to sell more goods. Okay. So, ito yung tinatawag natin pag sinabing graduated. Ito ay may level. So, per level commission, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, level 1. Level 1, nakabenta ka ng 10,000. So, meron kang halimbawa 2% for that. And then, kapag nakabenta ka pa ng 20,000, meron ka ulit additional. And then, pag nakabenta ka ng 30,000, there's another commission rate for that. Para siyang discount series, pero ito ay more on income. Okay? Mas madali nga lang yung atake niya compared sa discount series. So, let us look at this example. So, Mary has a monthly commission plan where she receives 2.5% on the first 100,000 of sales during the month and 3.5% on the sales above 100,000. If her total sales during the month is 150,000, compute her commission. So, if you can see here, ang condition natin is, for the first 100,000, meron siyang 2.5%. Kung makakabenta pa siya ng more than 100,000, yung remainder noon, or yung difference pala, ay magkakaroon ng 3.5% commission rate. Now, if her total sales during the month is 150,000, compute her commission. So, ibig sabihin, na-reach na yung 100,000 na limit, diba? So, yun yung una nyong ilalagay dito. Kasi yun yung floor limit, 100,000. So, 100,000, ang kanyang commission for that is 2.5%. Okay? And then, magkano na lang yung magiging commissionable sales for 3.5%? Of course, iaawas natin yung excess. Kasi nakalagay sa condition, yung sales lang above 100,000 ang makakasama dun sa 3.5%. So, iaawas natin yung 100,000 sa 150,000 total sales niya, kaya 50,000 na lang. Okay? So, for 50,000, you will get a commission, or Mary gets a commission of 3.5%. And so, we will solve it. 100,000 times 2.5% is 2,500 pesos, while 50,000 times 3.5% or 0.035 is 1,750. Okay? And then after that, after you have computed all the commissions for each level or for each sales amount, you will just add everything up. And so you get 4,250 pesos. So, dun sa benta ni Mary na 150,000, meron siyang commission na 4,250 pesos. Just please take note, this is not a salary plus commission ha. Ibig sabihin yung 4,250 pesos ay commission lang. Okay po? In case na magkakaroon ng salary, halimbawa si Mary ay meron pa siyang 20,000, let's say, salary, idadagdag nyo lang siya dun sa commission. Okay? Another example. So Adrian works on commission basis in an electronic store. He gets 2% commission for every 60,000 pesos, 4% for above 60,000 to 80,000 pesos, and 6% for above 80,000 pesos. If he was able to sell a total of 120,000, how much is his commission? So ilista nyo muna lahat ng rates. So ilista natin lahat ng rates. 2%, 4%, and then 6%. Okay? And then after that, kunin nyo yung floor limit. The floor limit is 60,000 pesos. So, yun yung ilalagay nyo sa una. So, 60,000. What is the second limit? 60,000 to 80,000. So, ilan yan? That is 20,000 kasi isusubtract natin yung ceiling naman nito. 80,000 minus 60,000, you get 20,000. And then, ano yung excess? Kung nakabenta si Adrian ng 120,000, ima-minus natin sa 120,000, yung 80,000 naman na ceiling nung 4% interest, you will get 120,000 minus 80, that's 40,000 pesos. Miss, paano namin masusure na tama? So, malalaman nyo na tama yung sales amount niyo na kapag pinag-add nyo itong tatlo, ay lalabas yung total sales amount. Okay, so tingnan natin kung magsa-total siya sa 120,000. So 60,000 plus 20,000 is 80,000. 80,000 plus 40,000 is 120,000. Kapag sumobra ang compute nyo or nagkulang, ibig sabihin meron kayong maling nabawasan or nadagdagan. Okay po? Now, after you have determined your sales amount and then the commission rate, that's when you multiply everything for the commission. So 60,000 times 2% or 0.02 is 1,200. 20,000 times 0.04, that is 800. And then 40,000 times 0.06, that is 2,400. In total, Adrian will get a total commission of 4,400 pesos. Okay? Okay na ba yung 4,400 for 120,000 pesos? Yes po, okay na yan. Kasi ang business naman ay bumubuhay ng sarili niya. Hindi naman bumubuhay ang isang business para lamang sa mga empleyado nito. Okay? And of course, Adrian must have gotten a base salary or a salary on top of this. Hindi na lang natin siya sinama in this example. Okay? So this is the end of my lecture for commission. I would like you to try to answer the activity on your LMS regarding commissions. And if you will have any question, please let me know through Messenger. Okay? Thank you very much.